Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into something incredibly valuable for entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts: the conceptual frameworks for business model validation. If you're looking to turn your business idea into a successful reality, this video is absolutely for you. Let's start with a simple truth. Having a great business idea is just the beginning. What really matters is how you validate and implement it. That's where conceptual frameworks come into play. And they're absolute game. It's all about building, measuring, learning, and doing it fast. Instead of spending months or years developing a perfect product, you create a minimum viable product. Test it with real customers and learn from their feedback. This approach has revolutionized how we validate business models. It emphasizes getting out of the building and talking to real customers. It's structured in 4 steps: customer discovery, customer validation, customer creation, and company building. You can and should adapt them to your specific context. For example, use the business model canvas to map out your initial idea, then apply lean startup principles to test your assumptions, while using the Jobs-to-be-done framework to deeply understand your customers. This multi-framework approach can give you a more comprehensive validation process. Companies like Airbnb and Uber didn't just disrupt their industries by chance. They used these frameworks to validate and refine their business models continuously. They help you make more informed decisions, but success still requires execution, timing, and sometimes a bit of luck. They started with simple MVPs, learned from user feedback, and iteratively improved their offerings. Start by choosing one framework that resonates most with your situation. Master it, then gradually incorporate others as needed. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest uploads. Document everything: your assumptions, tests, results, and learnings. This documentation will be invaluable as your business grows. The key is to use them systematically and document your learnings along the way. See you in the next video. Markets change, customer needs evolve, and new technologies emerge. Your business model needs to adapt accordingly. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and insights. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them all. This framework helps you avoid the common trap of building something nobody wants. First up, let's talk about the business model canvas, developed by Alexander O. Sometimes it's about learning that your initial assumption was wrong, and that's perfectly okay. In fact, it has valuable information that can help you pivot to a better direction before investing too much time and resources. Instead of competing in existing markets, you create new market space where competition is irrelevant. This framework uses tools like the strategy canvas and the 4 actions framework to help you innovate your business model. Think of it as your business blueprint on a single page. This one's fascinating because it focuses on understanding what customers are really trying to achieve. Instead of asking what do customers want, we ask what job are customers trying to get done. This shift in perspective can lead to breakthrough innovations and better business models. It's brilliant because it helps you visualize 9 crucial elements of your business: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. What makes it so powerful is how it shows how these elements interact with each other. But here's where it gets really interesting. The lean startup methodology, introduced by Eric Ries, takes this a step further. Now, let's talk about the Jobs-to-be-done framework. The value proposition canvas is another powerful tool that deserves our attention. It is like zooming in on the most critical parts of your business model, your customer segment and your value proposition. On one side, you have customer jobs, pains, and gains. On the other, you have your products and services, pain relievers and gain creators. When these align perfectly, you've got a winning combination. Here's something many entrepreneurs overlook: The Importance of the Customer Development Model by Steve Blank. But wait, there's more. The Blue Ocean Strategy Framework helps you validate your business model by finding uncontested market space. Let's talk about practical application. When using these frameworks, remember, they're not rigid rules, but flexible tools. Here's a pro tip: combine different frameworks. One common mistake I see entrepreneurs make is treating validation as a one-time event. It's not. It's an ongoing process. Let's discuss some real-world examples. Now, here's something crucial. Validation isn't just about proving your idea works. Remember, these frameworks are meant to reduce risk, not eliminate it entirely. Before we wrap up, let's talk about implementation. I hope this overview of business model validation frameworks has been helpful. Have you used any of these frameworks in your business? Thank you for watching. And remember, validation isn't just about proving you're right. It's about learning what's right for your business and your customers.